It is Butch Cassidy Hideout Day. My wife called me while I was on the way here and said it was funny that I was doing it today. I was gonna do it like yesterday, the day before. I just kind of kept getting hung up. My grandfather used to follow outlaws' footsteps. He had every book on the outlaws, everything. He was obsessed with Indians, Indian jewelry like topaz, and the outlaws. He had a gun, like a Colt. I think it's an 1891 single action army revolver. And I have pictures somewhere of me in my diaper with cowboy boots on and that holster around me. Anyway, I remember the stories. What's weird about it, it's Memorial Day. It's my grandma's birthday. They have both passed on years and years ago. But I miss them terribly, and this is in honor of you, Grandpa. I mean, I've been curious, wanting to do this for years. It's supposedly kind of hard to find, and it has been so far. We'll see. Hopefully we can get there. Hopefully Grandma and Grandpa will guide us. Let's go find us some Butch Cassidy hideout, buddy. Oh my God. Woo-hoo. Don't wipe out there, buddy. Holy f. I mean, that's the way I want to go. Probably to the left. Oh my God, dude. This is gonna be a shit show. Why would it be easy to get there, huh? I don't know what this looks like, man. Pretty sketchy. Spray and pray, buddy. Spray and pray. Oh. Oh. Those motherfuckers hurt. Holy f, this is deep sand, man. Not to mention fighting 50 cows. Holy, relax, bro. Like, I know you stand up in the sand. I know. I can't even get there. Holy shit, dude. Woo. You're making me earn it for sure. My God. Oh, hello there, buddy. You go right on ahead. Herding the cattle, baby. Herding the cattle. Holy, there it is. You know, the History Channel's been here, my favorite metal detector. Oh my God, this is cool. Oh my God. Grandpa, you'd be so proud. I don't know if you ever came here or not. Butch Cassidy actually sat around, and I guess this used to be like a cabin. But he actually sat around this, Butch Cassidy. In the same spot, man. That is so freaking cool. Move! Have a cup of coffee where Butch used to drink his, Mr. Butch Cassidy. With my Moto Camp Nerd, X-Brew, and Sea to Summit X-Pod set. While sitting in my Muledex beach lounger and wearing my Mototomic shirt. Yeah, I'm representing today. Also 2 wheels and a tent coffee. This is kind of a special occasion. We're just sitting here with Butch on Memorial Day. Let's see if we can't fire up this cigarro. You know, God forbid the fire work when the camera's rolling. You know what? I got a thing for you, buddy. I don't know how many of you have had a cigarro and a cup of 2 wheels and a can of coffee at Butch Cassidy's Hideout. Somehow I got lucky enough to do it. It just worked out. I've been wanting to come see this for years. So, cheers to Dork on the road as well. I thought, just for fun, this is the perfect setting for Mr. Puff Puff. Man, it's so cool just to be able to roll up on your dual sport to Butch Cassidy's old hideout, or what's left of it. It's like a 40-mile trip in on dirt road. All of it says that if it rains, it's impassable. There was not a cloud in the sky. Well, I don't know if you can see, but that has changed. I almost gave up on it. The GPS coordinates I got, I would have had to hike about 4 miles. But I just kept on trucking. Grandpa would be so proud. I wish he was still here. I never got to ask him if he saw this. One of his relatives was actually on a posse that was hunting Butch down in Utah. Great stories as a kid, for sure. If you didn't make it, Grandpa, cheers to you. Here's to you, Grandma, Queen Ruth. I miss you terribly, and I'm honoring your memory and Butch's. Alright, I'm gonna finish my coffee and Mr. Puff Puff and we'll go for a walk. This is probably a mistake because it looks like rain's coming and I got about an hour drive back and it says impassable when wet. So I'm gonna call it. I push my luck all the time. This has been real cool, but it's blowing. It's dropped like 15 degrees in the last half hour. It's gray and the air just feels wet. Plus, remember how I got in here? Yeah, that wasn't fun, and I don't know how I'm gonna get back out. So, here we are. We got the bike and the truck. Currently, the bike got me here and hopefully gets me home. The truck is getting towed. How glorious is that?